Jewish communities in Australia are commemorating Purim, one of the most, did I say that correctly?
Purim.
One of the most festive Jewish holidays.
Symbolic food eaten during Purim is Hamantashen, and the ladies from the Monday Morning Cooking Club, we love having them here, are here to show us exactly what to do. Lisa and Natanya, good morning to you. Now, where do we start with this classic?
All right, we're going to start with the filling, but just quickly to tell you, we've made this beautiful dough, a little sweet, not too sweet, vanilla, lemon zest, fantastic. We'll go through that.
Yeah.
2 fillings today, traditional. Poppy seed, I'm going to show you how to cook that quickly, and cream cheese. And that one, I mean, we were eating them all afternoon. You're lucky there are some left, actually.
Favourite?
Yes, and then you can just eat the filling with a spoon.
Sounds great. Okay, what do we do?
Okay, so let's start with the poppy seed filling. You've got to have ground poppy seeds, so not the poppy seeds that we all see on bread rolls and stuff. These have actually been ground, and you can buy them from the right shop ground
because when they're ground, they stick in your teeth just a little bit longer.
And they're really hard to get out.
Yeah, right.
So we've got poppy seeds and milk.
Yeah. Just normal milk?
Yeah, it's really important to cook this. Sultanas just add that little hint of sweetness from time to time.
I'm loving this already.
Got to have some sugar.
Yeah.
And some vanilla, and we're using vanilla extract because it's lovely. And you can see in the pastry we've also used vanilla extract. You've got those little vanilla seeds. Okay. Vanilla, that's it. And I'm going to cook that together, probably for about 10 minutes. And what it's going to turn into is this.
Okay. So
I have to call it sludgy.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, there's got to be a better name than that.
Sweet sludgy.
Sweet sludgy. It is delicious. It is delicious. And that's your poppy seed filling. Wait till it cools down before you fill your pastries, otherwise the butter will come out and melt and it won't be good.
All right, good tip.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now I'll go on to the cheese filling.
This is the second filling.
Yeah.
So is it traditional to serve both?
You know what? These days, Hamantashen are filled with anything and everything.
Okay.
From Rocky Road marshmallows to Nutella to chocolate to jam.
You didn't feel like you wanted to do that.
This sounds good. So what do we pop in?
But I have to tell you, this is really the very best. So this one, you've got your ricotta, you've got your cream cheese, you've got a little bit of lemon zest and a little bit of vanilla just for flavour.
Yes.
A little bit of sugar.
This looks like it's going to be a little bit harder work than the other one.
And an egg yolk.
Important that your Philly cheese is soft, I guess, because you're about to beat this, right?
Like we did.
Have you ever tried to beat Philly cheese that's not soft? It's impossible. It just doesn't.
Yes, that's right. So important to get
room temperature.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I put in a little bit of corn flour, and now I'm just going to whiz it up.
Yeah.
Stand back.
Stand back. Right.
How long do we do that for?
About 1 more second.
Oh, even in real life? Even in real life, just
really.
quickly. Okay.
We didn't even have to say here's one we prepared earlier. It's there.
Well, actually,
there is one.
yeah, there is, but I'll finish it off with
Smells good.
smell the lemon. You can smell coming through.
And tastes delicious.
And then, you know what? Even if you don't have one of these, you can just use a spoon.
You look like you've had this for ages.
No, it's that retro look.
retro, isn't it?
Is it retro look or is it retro?
Retro look.
Retro look.
Yeah.
So it's after Christmas sales. It's a retro look.
I might have to lick the beater later. Okay.
And the good thing about this cheese filling is that you can use it in many things. You could fill a crepe with it, and you could bake it. You could make this pastry into a roll and make sort of like we were talking about it like a sausage roll with cheese inside would be delicious.
It's actually delicious if you want it. I just stand there and eat it.
Yes.
I love the concept that you can actually put anything in
we've got about a minute left. So
now we've got our beautiful sour cream pastry, which for beginners with pastry, this is the one to make. It is so rich and tasty, but also so forgiving and easy to work with.
Okay, we'll make sure that the recipe for that is on our website because there's a few steps to go through that, but it contains sour cream.
Sour cream.
And then what are the tips? Here we go. We see you're rolling.
Yeah.
Yes,
I think this is the thing. This is the thing to make the triangle shape like that. So you just need a little bit of water and just to moisten the outside of it, and then make sure your hand is dry and perhaps a little floury.
Who wants to have a go?
Thank you.
And then it's just a matter of bringing the 3 sides together to the centre.
Okay.
That's it.
And the idea is to have a perfect triangle.
And then we're going to cook them up somehow.
Then we're going to put them on a baking tray. We're going to glaze them with egg white and a little extra sugar.
And then we're going to
bake them. And then we're going to eat them.
Did you moisten your corners there? And, no, you're making a slice shape.
Just show me. Do one more. Show me how you do the triangle shape.
So corners.
Yep. Corner. Yep. So
and then bring them up.
Okay, so flat on that and then triangle there.
So I've got thumbs there.
There we go. Right.
no. I know you're saying yes, but
the idea is to get an equilateral triangle.
Yes,
if
mine's
you can.
more a...
But Pythagoras' theory, yes.
And it's actually better if you can put them in the fridge for about 15 minutes before baking them.
And
It
how
just
long are we
helps
baking them for?
15 minutes.
I'm tasting.
Yeah, on 180.
180. And this is the finished product.
Yeah, this
it
is
looks
it.
beautiful. We're going to put the recipe and the details about the Monday Morning Cooking Club on our website, and the book is called It's Always About the Food. It's up on
Poppy seed one for you?
our website. All the details. Poppy seed.
Thanks, guys.
girls.
Really terrific.
Lovely.